The multiverse requires a beginning, and fine-tuning, and points to God. Why the multiverse does not resolve the questions of origins or fine-tuning for naturalism and atheism. The concept of the multiverse, a theoretical ensemble of potentially infinite universes, has been proposed as an answer to two central issues challenging naturalism and atheism. A. The origin of the universe, and B. The fine-tuning necessary for complex life to exist. Prima facie, both of these point to an ultimate explanation beyond the natural universe, indicating a supernatural intelligent fine-tuner who imbued the cosmos with a purpose, which aligns strongly with the concept of God. However, the multiverse theory itself faces these same fundamental issues, ultimately leading back to the very inference it seeks to avoid: that an intelligent cause or God best explains both the universe's origin and fine-tuning. Let us examine why the multiverse fails to provide a sufficient solution to these problems, leading us back to a conclusion that still points toward God as the supernatural first cause and intelligent fine-tuner of reality. Problem A. The origin of the universe. The origin of the universe has been a focal point of debate in both scientific and philosophical realms. The Big Bang, widely regarded as the beginning of our universe, shows that the universe emerged from a singular point of infinite density around 13.8 billion years ago. This beginning, which entails the start of time, space, and matter, implies that the universe was not self-caused or eternally existent within itself but had a defined start. This is problematic for naturalism because naturalism asserts that everything, including the universe, must arise from natural causes. Yet if time, space, and matter began at the Big Bang, no natural cause within the universe could account for the universe's own existence, pointing instead to a supernatural cause that is outside of, and transcendent to, the universe. The multiverse has been suggested to avoid this issue by positing that perhaps our universe is one among countless others within an overarching multiverse. According to this theory, while our universe has a beginning, the multiverse itself might be infinite or eternal, thereby avoiding the need for a supernatural origin. However, this concept encounters two major issues. The beginning of the multiverse. If the multiverse is a physical reality, then it, too, is subject to questions of origin. Even if an infinite series of universes or quantum fluctuations could be posited, philosophical and scientific reasoning proves that an infinite regress of causes is impossible, since it is impossible to cross an infinity to get to the present moment. In addition, the Borde-Guth-Vilenkin (BGV) theorem shows that any universe, or multiverse, in which there is an overall average rate of cosmic expansion must have had a beginning. Therefore, like our universe, the multiverse itself would require a beginning, pointing again to a transcendent cause outside of the multiverse. In addition, if a multiverse is continuously creating new universes, as is needed to explain the birth of our universe, then the multiverse is continuously expanding. And so, it must necessarily have had a beginning, consistent with the BGV theorem, and logic and reason independent of the BGV theorem. Explanation of being. Even if we suppose a multiverse without an observable beginning, the question of why there is a multiverse, or why there is something rather than nothing, remains unanswered. Merely expanding the scope of what exists does not explain why anything exists at all. Thus, the multiverse does not eliminate the need for a transcendent, non-contingent first cause. Consequently, the multiverse does not solve the issue of origins, rather, it shifts the question one level up. We are still led to infer a supernatural cause beyond the multiverse, a cause that is uncaused, eternal, and powerful enough to initiate existence itself. This description aligns closely with the attributes traditionally ascribed to God. Problem B. Fine-tuning of the universe for complex life. The observable universe is finely tuned for the existence of life, a fact that has been acknowledged by scientists across disciplines. From the precise values of fundamental forces, such as gravity and electromagnetism, to constants, like the speed of light or the cosmological constant, our universe's parameters fall within incredibly narrow ranges that allow for complex structures and, ultimately, life. This fine-tuning is profoundly improbable if the constants and quantities of nature are the result of random chance. This fine-tuning points to, and is evidence of, an intelligent fine-tuner who purposefully arranged the universe to support life. The multiverse has been proposed as a possible naturalistic, or atheistic, solution to this problem. If there are countless universes, each with different physical constants, it becomes statistically possible that at least one of these universes would have the precise parameters needed to support life. Our universe, then, would not appear fine-tuned by design but rather as a result of probability across an infinite multiverse. However, this proposal, too, fails upon closer scrutiny. The fine-tuning of the multiverse. For a multiverse to produce even one life-supporting universe like ours, it would require a mechanism, or process, capable of generating a vast array of universes with widely differing parameters. This mechanism itself needs to be fine-tuned to produce life-permitting universes at all, meaning the multiverse would still point to the need for an intelligent fine-tuner. For instance, models like eternal inflation or quantum fluctuations need very precise settings to produce life-compatible universes within a multiverse context. Inference to purpose. The apparent purpose embedded in the variability of a multiverse to produce life-permitting conditions implies an underlying order and intelligence. Blind processes do not inherently account for purposive outcomes, especially not ones involving complex and interdependent factors like those necessary for life. This purpose-based arrangement points not to random chance but to an intelligent designer with specific intent, one whose reach extends beyond a single universe to all existence. Thus, while the multiverse is sometimes invoked as an atheistic alternative to an intelligent creator, it inadvertently points back to the necessity of fine-tuning and purpose, which in turn point to God. The inference to God and the misuse of double standards. Interestingly, if atheists argue that Christians should not postulate an unseen entity, God, as an explanation for the universe's design, then by the same logic, atheists should refrain from postulating an unseen entity, the multiverse, to avoid the inference of an intelligent cause. The multiverse, as an unobservable construct posited without direct empirical evidence, remains an unseen entity, proposed solely to explain away the observable evidence of design. If it is rational to infer a multiverse without direct observation, it is equally rational to infer a creator based on the observed fine-tuning and origin of the universe. Conclusion. In summary, the multiverse does not resolve the core issues that challenge naturalism and atheism. Both the origin of the multiverse and the fine-tuning required for any life-permitting universe indicate the need for an intelligent, purposeful cause. The multiverse, far from eliminating the inference to God, ultimately redirects us back to it, reinforcing that a supernatural intelligent fine-tuner is a logical conclusion. In the end, whether we consider a single universe or a multiverse, the evidence prima facie points clearly toward God as the necessary, purposeful cause of existence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.